Hello and welcome to this video tour of number 16A, the Ridgeway. So what we have here is a stunning 4-bedroom semi-detached property, older style, but located in a beautiful private road just on the edge of Woodley. So location is undoubtedly one of the big factors of this house. That said, we can't lose sight of the fact that it's in lovely condition and it's got a stunning garden as well. Let's take you inside and show you around. So just before I take you through the front door of the house, I'm just going to show you the frontage and also the view that we have. So as you can see, parking for a number of vehicles. We've got the 5-bar gate entrance there, and that's the view across the road with no properties in front of you. So quite a nice aspect. So let's just turn around and take you through the front door and into the hallway, and let's have a look round inside. So let me just step forward and turn around and show you the front door that we've just come through. Okay, so there's the entrance door. It has this little sort of porched entrance almost, which opens into the main entrance hall. You'll see that we've got a wood laminated flooring. There's the staircase leading to the first floor, door to the left into the lounge, and a door there through to the kitchen dining room. I'm going to start by showing you the lounge, so let's step into this room. Now this is, it's a big room, I think 29 feet in length. There is a little bit more behind me, so I'll just show you that in just a second. You can see towards the end there we've got double doors opening onto the patio and garden. It's a good width, and if I just step forward, turn round, you'll see we've also got this separate little sort of sitting area with the nice bay window with seating within. So this is to the front. UPVC double glazed sealed unit windows throughout the house. It's gas central heating as well. That's a better view of the lounge. It's almost in two separate areas because whilst we've got the main lounge area, there's another little sitting area here which sort of overlooks the garden. And if I just look to my right, we've got a doorway there that takes you through to a little hall, downstairs WC, utility room, and through to the kitchen. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take you back into the entrance hall itself and through the door here into this is the dining area. So let's just step forward and turn round. There you go, there's the dining table. Again, UPVC double glazed bay window at the front, and the same sort of laminate flooring is in the hallway. It kind of runs through, and I just turn round, you can see here it opens into the kitchen. So it's triple aspect windows. We've got this side window here and another one in the kitchen area. Let's just focus on the kitchen area now. Lots of units either side, as you can see. We've got a range cooker there. Interesting, it's got 7 burners, a little bit different. Work surfaces with cupboards under. There's the sink unit there. And eye level units on the right and also on the left as well. Just stepping back slightly, I'm just going to show you on the right hand side here we have these slide out larders, and then opposite there there's a wine rack there, but space for an American style fridge freezer, and the double doors there opening through to the rear garden. Just going to give you a quick look at the view from the house of the garden. Obviously I'll show you the garden towards the end of the tour, but it's a lovely garden, super view, and 130 foot in length if I remember rightly. So from the kitchen you can step back into this hallway that I referred to earlier, and we have a utility room and a downstairs WC. So there's the utility room with plumbing for the washing machine obviously underneath, and work surface with the a butler sink. And just quickly show you that. We've got the gas-fired boiler, a Worcester Bosch boiler. And then, last but not least, on the ground floor, we have the WC. There you go, there's the wash basin there, radiator, and again, a window. Some WCs have an extractor fan. This one actually has a window, which is much better. And then just before we go upstairs, behind me, we have quite a deep built-in storage cupboard, and there's the door taking you back into the lounge. So that's the ground floor. Let's now take you upstairs and show you the bedrooms. So we're on the first floor landing. As you can see, there's the stairs from the main entrance hall with the ornate balustrades there. And I'm just going to point upwards because on the landing we have access to the loft space just there. And that's got a fitted loft ladder as well. So we've got 4 bedrooms, the family bathroom, and also the ensuite and dressing room to the master bedroom. So I'm just going to turn around. So let's start in the main bedroom. That's this one here. Dual aspect windows. You can see we've got a side window as well as a front window there. And also another wood effect laminate flooring. But interestingly, if I just spin round, you'll notice that across this wall we have built-in wardrobes, 2 doubles either side, with the mirrored doors. And interestingly, this one, which you'd never know it was here, if you open this door, we take it through to an actual dressing room, sort of walk-in wardrobe, with a further door taking you into the ensuite. As you can see, we've got hanging space, shelving space, and drawers either side. Yeah, both sides, there you go. And again, the laminate flooring runs through and then takes you into the ensuite shower and toilet. It's quite an impressive shower. It's one of these walk-in showers. You kind of walk around the glass screen, and as you can see, there's the shower itself with a full tile surround. Let's just turn around because we have a pedestal wash basin here and also the low level WC, and lastly a heated towel rail, and then a frosted window. Again, UPVC double glazed sealed unit. So very nice ensuite. In fact, it's a very nice master suite really. Let's just turn around and then take you back through here into the main bedroom. That's a good view of the bedroom. Okay, so that's the master suite. Right, let's now show you what I would probably say is bedroom 2. We'll do it in the order of size. So this is bedroom 2. You'll see we've got a double bed in situ here, and the front aspect window. Just give you an idea of just what we have out the front as far as the sort of views concerned. And I'm just going to spin round and just point out on the back wall there we've got a built-in double wardrobe. So that's the second bedroom. And then turning left on the landing to the rear of the house, this would be bedroom 3. Again, double bed there. So this one's got freestanding wardrobes, but at least it shows we've got room for them. However, spinning around a bit further, you'll see we've actually got a built-in wardrobe there. And I'll just show you the view that we've got. Actually, I'm just going to change what I said just a second ago, because actually that's the built-in airing cupboard. So the hot water tank sits in there. But I was just going to say, let's just show you the view we have from the window out the back. Properties at the rear are a long way away, as you can see. Lovely big garden, 130 feet in length, which I'll show you shortly. So we've seen 3 bedrooms. Let's now show you the 4th bedroom. This is actually used as a home office. So slightly difficult to appreciate the size because we've got a really big desk sat in here. Front aspect window. Just try and give you an idea of the actual size of this room. Okay, the radiator there on the right. So let's now just reverse up back onto the landing, and last room on the first floor is the bathroom. This has been refitted, very nicely finished, all fully tiled. You can see we've got a load of WC there, the wash basin with the vanity cupboard under, and I'm just going to step into the room, turn around, show you that we have the bath with a power shower over, and again all tiles surround, with also the heated towel rail just here. So very nicely appointed bathroom with the rear aspect frosted window there. And last but not least, a nice tiled floor as well. So that's the first floor. Let's now take you outside and show you the rear garden. And so onto the rear garden. So through the kitchen French doors here, as you'll see straight away, not overlooked, very private garden, very nicely landscaped. I will take you for a walk down the end of the garden, but in a mode, just first of all focusing on the patio. It's a very big patio running the full width of the house. And we also have a side access. There you go, there's the side access to the front garden. Let's just now wander down the garden and show you what we have. You'll see the shed on the left hand side there, and a little tiny, looks like a little sort of Wendy house on the right. Yeah, this garden speaks for itself. As I mentioned before, it's 130 feet in length. Greenhouse towards the end with another little tiny sort of almost like a potting shed. Very nicely landscaped with well-stocked flower beds. Let's just turn around, and this gives you an idea of the back of the house. A couple of trees here. Very peaceful setting, and a stunning garden to finish the tour of this house. So it just remains for me to say thank you for watching. If you have any questions, my name's Gary. Please do call the number on the website and ask to speak to myself. Same telephone number to actually book a viewing appointment. Thanks very much for watching.